So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the Panasonic Inverter AC remote in great detail and in simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this, you can turn the AC on and off. After that, the next button is the temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the more the temperature will go down. The more you turn it down, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the more the temperature will increase and the AC will reduce cooling. Its highest temperature is 30 degrees. If you just want cooling and want to reduce the electricity bill, then you should use it at 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel that 26 degrees is too cold, then set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees. And if you are feeling hot at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. After that, the next button is mode. On pressing the mode button, you will see the mode. Currently the mode is in auto. Currently the mode is in cool. Currently the mode is in dry. Currently the mode is in fan. Now I will tell you the details of the mode in depth in very simple words. After that, if you press the mode button again, the auto mode will come. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and the AC will work according to its own requirement. If you feel that the cooling is less or more in auto mode, then you can also increase or decrease the cooling with the temperature up down button. The next mode is cool. In cool mode, all the buttons of the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool, and in cool mode the AC will cool as per your requirement. After that, the next mode is dry. You can use dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity and sticky heat in the rainy season. So using the AC in dry mode removes that humidity. After that, the next mode is fan. AC will not do cooling in fan. Only the fan of indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want cooling of AC and you just want to use the fan of AC, then you can use fan mode. After that, the next button is sleep. By pressing the sleep button, the AC becomes silent and the use of sleep button is very good. For example, suppose you have kept the temperature of your AC at any level, then every 2 hours the temperature will automatically increase by 1 degree and you will not have any problem in sleeping due to excessive cold. After that, the next button is turbo and quiet. By pressing this button, the AC will start in turbo mode. Generally, when we switch on the AC, the compressor starts in 3 minutes, but by pressing the turbo button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the fan speed of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the turbo button. In this, the room cools down very quickly. If we press the turbo button once again, quiet will be turned on. When quiet is on, the fan speed of the indoor unit will slow down and the AC will start running completely silently. If we press the turbo button once again, auto will be turned on. When auto is turned on, the fan speed of the indoor unit will start running in auto and the AC will control the fan speed of the indoor unit accordingly. After that, the next button is fan speed. This is for the speed of the fan which is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds. Right now the fan speed is auto. Right now the fan speed is low. Right now the fan speed is medium. Right now the fan speed is high. You can control the fan speed according to your requirement. If you want to cool the room quickly, then set the fan speed to high. The next button is air swing. This button is for the front swing of the AC. It works in up and down. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button your swing flap will stop there. You can also see the direction in the remote. The next button is second air swing. This button is for the front swing of the AC. It works from right to left. Using this swing will spread the cooling of the AC in the room quickly, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button your swing flap will stop there. You can also see the direction in the remote. The next button is timer. Before using the timer, set the remote time to the current time. To set the time on the remote, first press and hold the clock button for 10 to 15 seconds. After that, the time on the remote will start blinking. Right now the present time in my mobile is 21:10, so now we will set it to 21:10 using the up and down buttons of the timer on the remote. And press the set button so that the present time will be set. Now press the timer on button and set the timer on time. Suppose I switch on the AC at 10 p.m, then I will set the time and press the set button, the on timer will be set. And note that at what time you want to turn off your AC, then set that time. Suppose I want to turn off the AC at 5 a.m, then I will set the time to 5 a.m. And then when you press the set button, the off timer will be set. If you want to cancel the timer, you can cancel the timer of your AC by pressing the cancel button. You can see the check button in the remote. The work of this button is to remove the error code, like if there is some problem in your machine and your machine is not showing the error, then this button is given extra to see the error, but this was for the old model. The next button is reset. If you press the reset button with the help of a pin, your AC will be completely reset. Next button is RC in reset. If your remote is hanging or is not working properly, then press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Your remote will be reset and will start working properly. If you understand the information given by me, then please like my video and subscribe my channel.